This is going to be a video tutorial on how to install Wikipedia as a desktop app. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. If you look up this way, you see I have a little app named Wikipedia. If I double click on that app, it opens up Wikipedia as an app. You could still perform all the tasks that you would normally perform on this, but it is now an app. The way to do this, I'm going to close this out. I'm going to delete this app. And I'm going to show you how to easily create an app using either the Chrome web browser or the Edge web browser. I'm going to start off with Chrome. I'm going to open up Chrome. First thing you want to do is go to Wikipedia. As you can see, I am on Wikipedia now. Next thing you want to do is go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the three-dot menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Cast, Save, and Share. Then you'll go straight off to the left and down to where it says Install Pages App. I'm going to click on Install Pages App. A little dialog opens up here asking you if you can rename your app right here. You could put in whatever you want. I'm going to leave Wikipedia, and then you would click on Install. Now to do this on the Edge web browser, it is a similar process. I'm going to open up Edge. I am on the Edge web browser now. First thing you want to do is go to Wikipedia. Next thing you want to do, go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the three-dot menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Apps and place your cursor over Apps. Go straight off to the left. Install this site as an app. It shows you Wikipedia's logo right here. Install this site as an app. I'm going to click on it. A little dialog pops up here asking you if you want to rename the app. I'm going to leave mine as it is, and I'm going to go down and click on Install. Now the app has been installed. It has another dialog box has popped up here asking me where do I want this app to be pinned to. Do I want to pin it to the taskbar? Do I want to pin it to the start? Do I want to create a desktop shortcut? I'm going to go with create a desktop shortcut, and I'm going to take these other two out. You just have to use your own preference on this, and then you want to click on Allow. Now I have Wikipedia as a desktop app. If I close this out, here is my little Wikipedia icon right there. It is now an app. That is how to install Wikipedia as an app on your desktop. Thanks for watching.